Digital transformation involves fundamental changes. Organizations' setting of digital transformation should have bold goals, but digital transformation is not for every organization. Boldness of vision is a necessary but not sufficient condition for success. In technical terms, the core of digital transformation is automation of routine processes to free human capacities for value creation. Automation of processes requires well-defined logical processes and management willing to give up discretionary power. Exceptions are expensive and undermine the pursuit of automation. Optimization and improvement of automatized processes also need a great deal of transparency. Processes should not be organized around personal preference, but overall efficiency. We cannot automatize undefined, flimsy processes, ad hoc operation, and discretionary management decisions on individual cases. While best practice-based model provide function to process definitions, organizational readiness also depends on management culture. Software Engineering Institute of Carnegie Mellon University developed a framework to measure readiness and help process improvement. The Capability Maturity Model Integration, or CMMI, framework classifies organizations to 5 levels based on the maturity of the processes. The figure on the screen displays CMMI categories. I continue with the description in the next few minutes. Initial is the lowest level in the CMMI framework. Its denomination refers to the type of processes characteristic to the organization. On this level, the first processes emerge from the primordial soup of ad hoc operation. Processes are reactive responses to repetitive situations. They are incomplete, belonging to corporate folklore rather than a formal set of rules. These processes often transmitted orally within the organization. On this stage, we often hear the phrase, "This is how we used to do it." Managed is the next level of process maturity. This is the stage where defined processes begin to take shape. Formal processes emerge, but still only in reaction to situations. Processes defined on this level are not universal within the organization. Some projects use them, others may copy, but the use depends on ad hoc management decisions. Managed level is important in organizational evolution. Awareness of the need for processes emerges here. Defined is the level where organizational standards appear. When organizations realize the value of processes, they switch from reacting to emerging situations to expecting the need for processes and develop standards. The importance of this level lies in the appearance of process integration. As standard processes emerge by design, we need to define interfaces and handover points between them. The emergence of understanding of interconnected processes is a precondition of successful digital transformation. On quantitatively measured level, performance indicators to facilitate efficiency management appear. Organizations in this level are no longer satisfied with knowing how they operate, they want efficiency. Measuring performance is not merely a supervision tool. It facilitates processes improvement by exposing bottlenecks, non-value-added steps, and inefficient configuration. The insight gained from performance indicators is often a source of motivation for digital transformation. Optimizing is the highest level of process maturity. Process optimization appears much earlier. It becomes an integral part of operations on this level. On the optimizing level, we do not refine processes on an ad hoc basis. Reacting to emerging situations, optimization becomes the norm. Organizations incorporate it in their systems of processes. In simple terms, organizations have formal processes for optimization on this highest level. Organizations reach a level of maturity when their processes work and described on the particular level. You may have the most complex set of formal processes. Your organization maturity level cannot be high if you do not follow them. Members of the organization must know the processes. Managers should limit exceptions to extraordinary events. What maturity level we need for successful digital transformation? An organization should reach at least defined level before it launches an initiative on digital transformation, as we can adopt models based on industry best practices. It seems possible to start digital transformation from a lower level. However, transformation is about people, not information systems or even processes. If management and members of organization have no experience in following formal processes, they will interfere with automatized processes and render them dysfunctional. So be bold when you launch digital transformation, but start from the appropriate level. Patience pays. If you are below the defined level, work on stepping on the next level instead. Digital transformation initiatives should be bold. We should expect significant results and fundamental change, but we need to be realistic. Organizations must reach at least defined level of processes maturity before they can succeed with digital transformation. Organizations striving for success but below defined level should work on reaching the next level of maturity instead.